chewy deal. Alright. Чтобы дамаг закачать. Ну, может, я, кстати, и в копе его немного покачаю. Просто ради прикола. Мне не очень охота тратить время. Only ГБ. Блядь, у меня и так все герои only ГБ. What? What? Why are you ignoring me? It doesn't matter. Тебе же нравится на нем играть, но не все же время. Where is the people? Oh, I see. This sounds really cool. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but looks like MGT will get destroyed, I guess. Hello, here. Why are you ignoring me? I was the concentrating on the game. Hello, here. While you was riding. Kappa. While you was riding. 30 убил. Заебись. Alright, maybe we can make max of our tree in the soon. Hello. Hello, Maja. I don't know. I really don't know what is the enemy team. I guess so. Oh, they on the. Oh yeah. Fucking. Alright. Future pulling to them really hard, I guess, with the Boba. Maybe we can make the 100 killstreak on the first phase. Who knows? How are you guys doing today? Pretty chill day. Weekend soon. Guy here, huh? Alright, understandable, he just blew himself. Really gigapog. Really sad, but he didn't die. Really sad. Hello, Peppa. Hello, Diggy. Too hot? Sad. Yo. Yo, Peppa, don't die. If I survive 2 times from COVID, you will survive too, Kappa. We'll see. Maybe I will die the next COVID. We'll see. Peppa have COVID now too. He joined our club. Бог любит троицу. Да пиздец. What are you doing? No, mama. My kill. My kill. Sad. If you guys have some good music, can you post it? Mom music. Okay. Fuck you, Vader. Yeah, if you both just say request song same time? Really? Oh. I mean, I have the music water, but people won't like it. This is why I just like better just asking people for the Pog music. 59. I took some pills again. Hopefully it was good. You know, Peppa, I have like 3.6, 3.8 temperature for the 2 weeks almost. How about make your own playlist? I can, but people won't like it. This is like talking about people won't like it maybe. Sorry, Andrei. Alright. So it's on. He's Steam Reporter, he's trying. What? Bro, he just okay, Vader. He just fucking swinging like a rod. Jesus. Okay. Alright, maybe bro 100 kills in the slash second phase. Boss, like, boss is AFK, okay?